Hello, in this video we'll demonstrate NumPy array indexing in Python. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, we'll search for indexing array with array on NumPy. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the first result as it matches our query. Now this use case requires the NumPy library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Let's get back to our code now. Copy the code in a single click. From here, go to the IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code. Here we import NumPy library. Now this line sets the random seed to 0. The ARR variable is initialized as a 3D NumPy array of shape 3, 4, 2 using the arrange and reshape functions. The arrange function creates a 1D array with values from 0 to 23, and reshape transforms it into a 3D array with 3 rows, 3 columns and 3 depth levels. This generates random integers between 0 and 2 and populates a 2D array. This is the first way to extract elements, and this is the second way to extract the elements. Let's run the code now. And you have demonstrated NumPy array indexing in Python.